Struggling to track down hidden vacuum or exhaust leaks in your car? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best EVAP smoke machines that can make diagnosing leaks faster, easier, and more accurate. From build quality to performance, I'll walk you through what makes each machine stand out. And of course, I'll be upfront about the pros and cons, so you can pick the right one with confidence. Let's get into it. Number 1. Overall best pick. Autoline Pro EVAP High Volume Smoke Machine. The Autoline Pro EVAP High Volume Smoke Machine is a powerful tool for anyone who needs reliable leak detection. It produces thick, consistent smoke that makes finding vacuum and EVAP leaks much faster and more accurate. I like that it uses a ceramic smoke coil, which feels more durable than standard setups, and the included smoke fluid works well without leaving residue. The machine heats up quickly and is straightforward to use, even that it's bulkier than some compact units, so it takes up more space in the shop. Overall, it's a dependable and well-built smoke tester that delivers professional-level results. Number 2. My second best pick. Universal Car Smoke Leakage Detector EVAP. The Universal Car Smoke Leakage Detector is a handy and affordable tool for diagnosing leaks in cars, motorcycles, and even trucks. It connects easily to a 12-volt power source and produces enough smoke to clearly spot leaks in EVAP systems, vacuum lines, and intake areas. I like that it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around the garage or take on the go. The setup is simple, so even beginners can get it working without much hassle. The only downside is that it doesn't feel as heavy-duty as higher-end machines, so it's best suited for light to moderate use. Overall, it's a practical, budget-friendly option for DIY mechanics. Number 3. My third best pick. Automotive Smoke Machine is a reliable option for diagnosing EVAP and vacuum leaks in cars and trucks. It connects to a standard 12-volt power source and produces a steady stream of smoke, making it easy to trace leaks quickly and accurately. I like that it's built with durability in mind, and the compact design makes it convenient to store when not in use. The machine heats up fast, so you don't waste time waiting around before starting a test. One drawback is that the instructions could be clearer for first-time users. Overall, it's a solid mid-range smoke tester that offers dependable performance for both DIYers and small shops. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Ancel Smoke Machine Automotive Built-in Air Pump. The Ancel Smoke Machine is a solid choice for anyone who wants a reliable EVAP and vacuum leak tester with a few extra features. The built-in air pump is a big plus since you don't need an external compressor, and the pressure gauge with flow meter, I like that the smoke it produces is odorless, which makes using it indoors more comfortable. The machine feels sturdy and heats up quickly, so you can get to testing without much delay. The only downside is that it's larger than some compact models, so storage may be a consideration. Overall, it's a convenient and efficient smoke tester for home or shop use. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. Foxwell Smoke Machine. The Foxwell ST203 smoke machine is a well-designed leak detector that makes diagnosing EVAP, intake, and exhaust issues much easier. The built-in air pump is a huge convenience since it eliminates the need for an external compressor, and the pressure gauge with flow meter helps track leaks precisely. I like that it produces a steady, visible smoke output, making even small leaks easier to detect. The unit feels sturdy and is suitable for both home mechanics and small shop use. The only drawback is that it takes a bit of time to fully heat up a user-friendly smoke machine that offers good value for the price. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Have a favorite EVAP smoke machine? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're
like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.